All right, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, there has to be another way? Yeah, same. We've all seen the screenshots, the Shopify dashboards, the 100K month claims, the freedom lifestyle. But here's the problem. Nobody actually shows you what to sell. Nobody shows you how to get traffic without burning thousands on ads. And nobody tells you how to do it without becoming some full-time influencer. That's exactly why I want to talk to you about something called the profit switch system. Now, before you roll your eyes, I get it. Another system, another promise, another blueprint. But hear me out for a second. The idea behind the profit switch system is simple. Build a real, faceless e-commerce business without inventory, without complicated funnels, and without needing to show your face online. And for a lot of people, especially if you're over 30, 40, maybe you've got a job, a family, responsibilities, that's huge. Because not everyone wants to dance on TikTok. Not everyone wants to build a personal brand. Some people just want quiet income. Here's what makes this interesting. Instead of drowning you in hours of theory, the system claims to walk you through everything click by click. What niche to choose, what products move, how to structure your store so it actually converts, and how to drive traffic organically, meaning no massive ad budgets to get started. That right there removes one of the biggest fears people have. Now, let's be real for a second. Is this some magic button that prints money in 30 days while you sip coffee on a beach? Of course not. Any real business takes effort. But what this does offer is structure, and structure is powerful. Because most people don't fail in e-commerce due to lack of motivation. They fail because they're overwhelmed. Too many YouTube tutorials, too many gurus, too many conflicting strategies. This system strips it down to one path, one framework, one execution plan. And it's built around a zero inventory model. That means you're not buying stock up front. You're not packing boxes. You're not renting a warehouse. Suppliers handle fulfillment. You focus on positioning and traffic. For beginners, that lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. It also includes ready-made store templates modeled after proven layouts, so you're not guessing where buttons go or what pages to build. And for those who want extra leverage, there's even a partner license option where you can resell the system and earn commissions. So you've got two potential income paths: build your store or promote the system. Now, here's the part I actually respect. It's designed for people who don't want to be online famous. A completely faceless model. No filming yourself, no influencer lifestyle, just business. That appeals to the quiet achiever type. The person who values privacy but still wants financial control. If you've tried dropshipping before and felt lost, if you bought a course that was all hype and no direction, if you're tired of information overload, then having a streamlined step-by-step roadmap can be the difference between spinning your wheels and actually launching. The investment isn't massive, and compared to most business models, the startup costs are relatively low. But, and this is important, results depend on implementation. If you treat it like a hobby, you'll get hobby results. If you treat it like a business, follow the steps, commit 5 to 10 focused hours a week, that's where momentum starts. At the end of the day, the profit switch system isn't about hype. It's about giving people a clear starting point in e-commerce without the noise. No Lamborghinis, no rented mansions, just a structured path. And sometimes that's exactly what people need. If you're curious and want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the details below so you can decide if it fits your goals. But remember, no system works unless you do. Thanks for watching. If this helps you see things more clearly, hit the like button, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and I'll see you in the next video.